Welcome back, guys. Today I'm sipping on a lovely summer refreshing cocktail. It's got gin, it's got mezcal, it's got pineapple juice. This is called the Paris is Burning. Weird name. I found this on tuxedonumber2.com, a great online resource for cocktails, and I really like the ingredients. They just work. So it's going to start with 1 ounce of your favorite gin. I'm using Dillon's Unfiltered batch number 22, I believe. Dillon's is a local distillery here in Ontario that make all sorts of awesome small batch stuff, and they make quite a few gins, and they're all quite good. Next up, we're doing 1 ounce of mezcal. It's nice and smoky. It's great stuff. I don't know too much about mezcal. There's not much available in my area, but this one here, Criente, is quite good. Next up, 1 ounce of pineapple juice. So far, we're doing equal measures of everything. After that, we're going to do 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. A little bit of acidity, a little tartness. After that, 1/2 ounce of Elderflower Liqueur. This is Saint Germain. It's going to add some sweetness, little floral notes. And lastly, to balance everything out, we're just going to do a small 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. I don't think this is necessary between the pineapple juice and the Saint Germain. You're getting enough sweetness. If you like sweeter drinks, go ahead. That's what the recipe called for, but I honestly don't think that last bit of simple syrup is required. After that, ice, flippy move, and shaky shaky. Nice hard shake, 10-15 seconds. Slap it to unseal. There it is, let her drip. A little bit of foam in there from the pineapple. Alright, we're serving this in a Nick and Nora. It's been chilling in the freezer. A bit of spillage there. Ooh, right up to the top. Ooh, look at that. And this did not call for garnish. You could do like maybe a lemon peel if you wanted to, but the recipe said no garnish. So there it is, guys. The Paris is Burning. It is incredibly refreshing. Gin is bright on the palate. The mezcal gives it a nice smokiness, but then the pineapple just brings everything together and makes it incredibly drinkable. It's so smooth. Really good drink. I hope you give it a try. We'll see you next time. Cheers.